In this video, I will show you how you can insert plus minus sign in MS Word. First, go to the insert and on the right side, click on symbols and then click on more symbols and here you need to select normal text and in the subset select Latin 1 supplement and here you will see that plus minus symbol. Click on that and click insert and close, and here you can see that. Select it and make it bigger. In the second method you need to type 00B1 and press Alt X all together, and here is the plus minus symbol inserted. You can change the font size as well. In the third method you need to type 0177 and press Alt X together. Make sure you should press this on the numeric side keypad. So in this way you can easily type plus minus sign in MS Word with these three methods. So I hope you understand how it works. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.